Next up is BuzzMenu. After them, Bookspark.
All right, so hello everyone. My name's Andre and I'm with BuzzMenu. The name. I'm here to bring the pain, man. No, but we're trying to solve a pain that a lot of smaller businesses have, a lot of small restaurants mainly, which is managing the queues or the sudden influx of customers into their establishment. So there currently is a solution on the market, which is these stupid little pagers. I'm pretty sure everyone here has experience with them. So the problem with these pagers is they're really expensive, which is why mostly big chains like Applebee's or Macaroni Grill use them. So we're trying to provide a solution that's cheaper and more user friendly. So the solution that we came up with is called BuzzMenu. So what we provide to customers is a phone-based pager system which pushes either a push notification to your phone to let you know that your table's ready and you can present yourself to the wait staff. So you're now free to roam the streets or go shopping somewhere else until the table's ready, as well as a app-based menu for your browsing pleasure. So by the time you're actually seated, you know what you want, and you aren't hungry for an extra 5-10 minutes. The market potential. We actually didn't start out just thinking about restaurants, but just for the purposes of the demo, we singled out the restaurant industry. There's actually way more uses for pagers, like in hospitals, dry cleaners, car dealerships, and even churches in the nurseries where they page parents to let parents know your kid's acting up. So we see this as a cheaper alternative and just as efficient. Our competition currently, we actually have a bunch of competition. We picked some of the better ones in our eyes. We would be one of the cheaper alternatives, and we offer a lot more functionality and features than most of them. Well, all of them. And right now, Brad will take you into a tech demo and show you guys exactly how it works.
Hey guys, thanks for taking the time. So we built actually two apps for BuzzMenu. We have both the client app and the app that the restaurant people would use to do everything. So using the app is basically as simple as registering. When you're registered, what you do is you get a list of all our locations that are signed up on our system. So this does it through geolocating, and you'll be able to see it. So you pick a restaurant, and what you can do is you'll have the option to call the restaurant if you like, or just hit the menu, and you can browse the menu. So what happens is when we walk into the restaurant, the wait staff will have a option like this. So when you come in to make your reservation, instead of handing you a buzzer, simply what they do is they hit add, they pick your phone number or your name. So let's say that's Brad, me, your phone number. Should have really filled this in, but anyways. And the number in the partner, let's say it's 2, I'm going to D with my wife. So we hit OK, and what the wait staff will have, if you can just see, I got a notification that my table will be ready shortly. So now when they are ready to seat me, all the server has to do is click that and say, are you sure you want to seat this customer? They click yes. And I get a notification on my iPhone through the app. Now, we realize that not everybody has iPhones or smartphones, so we also work with the strict text message. So we've actually already programmed Weston in there. So if we just click on him and seat him, he will get a text message saying that his table is ready. I hope.
Got it.
He got it. So that's the app. In addition to the app, we also have a full web client. If we have time, I will show you. No? Okay.
So the restaurant has to download
What?
onto what?
All right, so the restaurant has, okay, so the restaurant has two options for how to handle the thing. They can either run through just a laptop or desktop computer at the server station, or they can run an iPad or iPhone to check guests in.
So I walk into a restaurant. What does it take to get me signed up? You need my name and my telephone number, correct?
That's right, yeah.
And why is that more efficient than just walking in and being handed a buzzer?
Well, it's not necessarily more efficient than just handing you the buzzer. The sign-up process takes about the same time because they have to register the buzzer number with whatever your party name is. The problems with the buzzers are that they're expensive, and as well that you're limited to the range of the buzzer, right? So if you go to the mall, trying to have dinner there at the mall, most people are afraid to leave the premises even though they have a 45-minute wait for the buzzer, right? So if they have it on text message, it'll actually work anywhere in the world.
I'm good.
Is that a good sign or a bad sign?
I mean, we have a functional web interface and an iPhone app that we created this weekend. So that's.
You know, one thing, the market validation. Have you talked to any restaurants about this?
Just keep it value.
Yeah, we actually did. Smaller restaurants like the idea. Bigger restaurants like Olive Garden, we spoke to Olive Garden, and they tend to be very coy with their answers. They don't want to say anything. And it was the weekend, so we couldn't contact corporate. So we did speak to one of their employees when the manager left, and he was saying it would be really cool and better than what they have right now, but he couldn't say much more.
And it's different than a text message and just a phone call in what regard? So if I walk up to a stand and say, I want a table and here's my number.
With the app installed, you can access, or with the text message like what you got, you actually can access the app online. You can view the menu directly from there. Also, when you have the app installed, it doesn't go through a text message, so you're not getting an annoying text message. Your number, you'll get a push notification. You know, there are things out there with the text message, but this is a push notification. This is a different way to change the way that you get buzzed. Change the way queues are. Like we said, there are a lot of different places. And this could definitely turn into a sort of app where there's one place for this notifications, where if you come in, you have the Buzz app, and you can get push notifications directly from it.
Coupons, marketing. After you collect all that data, you got coupons, marketing opportunities there too.
So, and we did this in one weekend, so.
But you didn't answer the question. Actually, the difference between a phone call and a text message is that a phone call takes time, right? Even a quick phone call is going to take a minute of the time for the hostess. So, I mean, text message just seems like a simple thing. They just click 2 buttons and it's done, right?
Did you say that after that information will be sold out or used? Because
Yeah,
you would have, like, if you did that to my dad, he would be back there kicking in doors and knocking over tables.
Well,
No,
they can accept it or take it away.
Actually, sorry, let me take it. Afterwards, you'll be offered coupons or specials via the app. It won't be pushed through your email, nothing like that, only when you access the app. So it's very much just like when you want
Okay,
to
that makes sense.
engage.
So it's not 2 in the morning text messages.
No,
No,
no, there's no
And the thing is,
Groupon
when you have
messages
the
in your
app.
email all
Yeah.
the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Thanks.
Is
Thank
that
you,
happy
guys.
with your follow-up
Thank you.
report?